Hi guys, I am Jim Lamore.
I am Irish Tio.
I'm Lester T. Cruz.
Welcome to our vlog, Transformers. Since we were young, we've heard or watched shows about Transformers. But in real life, is there really a Transformer? So today, we're gonna talk about what is Transformer. Some of us are wondering if there is Transformer that actually exists in real life.
Before time in the beginning.
The answer is yes. It actually exists, but I'm talking about electrical transformer. I know everyone is very familiar with this, even children's. We have seen this every time we are walking on the roads or riding a vehicle. So these are the examples or sample images of a transformer. So what is electrical transformers? An electrical transformers are machines that can transfer electricity from one circuit to another with changing voltage level, but the frequency is still the same. In today's era, transformers are designed to use for AC supply, wherein when fluctuation is represented to a supply voltage, it impacted the fluctuation in the current, which means that an increase in the current will result an increase in the voltage and vice versa. This image was the first transformer that was created during the Hungarian Empire. It was designed by Otto Blatti, Miskaderi, and Karol Zipernowski from Otto-Hungarian Empire. The first transformer was used for both experimental and commercial system, but later on, Lucien Gollard, Sebastian Ferranti, and William Stanley perfected the design of transformer.
By the way, I am Irish Tio and welcome to our video. For today's topic, we are going to discuss about how does a transformer work. So,
Autobots, transform and roll out!
without further ado, let's begin. Okay, in order for a transformer to work, it uses the Faraday's induction law, wherein a rate of change in flux linkage with respect to time is directly proportional to the induced electromagnetic force of a coil and conductor. So how does it work? It works when there is a fluctuation in the electric current that flows through a wire. It establishes a magnetic field, or scientifically known as magnetic flux. The higher electric current will determine the strong of a magnetism can be. They are directly proportional, which means that the bigger or the larger the electric current, the stronger the magnetic field. Okay, we can see in these sample images of transformer that transformer is divided into two regions, wherein on the left side, we can see the primary winding, which is the primary coil, and on the right side, we can see the secondary winding or the secondary coil. When we put the secondary coil next to the primary coil and while not touching and it fluctuates an electric current, then the secondary coil will have an electric current too. This process is called as electromagnetic induction. So, how are we going to determine the voltage it will create? So, the answer is we simply turn loops into the wire. If the secondary coil have the same amount of number of turn loops with the first coil, then it will have the same current in the first coil. But when the secondary coil have or more or less number of turn loops, it will create a smaller or larger electric current than the primary coil. So, we have a hint here. The coil with the most turn will be the highest voltage, and the coil with the fewer turns will be the highest current.
As I was watching Transformers the movie, it came to my mind, how can real-life transformers be applied on our lives? Me and my group researched about it, and here is what we have learned.
Application of transformers.
Hey yo, what's up guys? My name is Mark Lester T. Cruz. So the first thing that I've learned in the application of transformers is it can decrease or decrease the level of voltage of current. Second is an AC circuit is more cheaper than the DC circuit. Third is the value of a capacitor, inductor, or resistor in an AC circuit may increase or decrease. Last one is isolating two electric circuits. And in the application of transformers, there are two types. First one is the step-up transformers. The low voltage and high current is converted to the primary side of the transformer to the high voltage and low current of the secondary side of the transformers. The second one is step-down transformers. The step-down transformers converts the high voltage and low current from the primary side of the transformer to the low voltage and high current value on the secondary side of the transformer.